close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so this is a status update on my homemade hydro dipping tank. As of tomorrow, the pump, the filter, and the warmer will be here. So as of now, what I've gotten done, this is a 150 gallon Rubbermaid tank from Tractor Supply. These are my dams that I made out of the roofing section, the end pieces corrugated. I have plexiglass that's going to be my interior wall, and I have held it in place currently with Flex Seal tape on both sides. So my pump is going to go down here in this section. Two of them is going to come up, go to the back, come around this side, over to this side here, and this is where I'm going to drill the holes in for the jet effect to skim the water across the top. So right now, this is where I'm at. Tomorrow, all of the other pieces are supposed to arrive, thanks to Amazon, and then we will be hopefully up in operation. Alright, so the next part of the process, down here at the bottom of this tank, you can see there's a porthole for draining. So what I've done is I went to Lowe's and I got a screw-in section, adapter, basically a spacer, and then a connection for a faucet end. And basically this is so I can set up an actual garden hose to drain the tank when needed and not have to worry about unplugging it and just letting it fall wherever. So that's another part of the process that I'm using on this tank. Alright, homemade dip tank is operational. We'll see how it goes when I actually dip something, and we'll have to check to see how the heater is able to actually keep the water warm. But for now, pump's working, water flow's good, and the tank is holding.